Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through how to create multi-board components using VS Code with the MockFlow IdeaBoard MCP Server in under 2 minutes. Start by opening the MockFlow desktop app and creating a new wireframe project. Then, head over to your browser and copy the VS Code MCP Server link from the MockFlow website to set up the connection. Next, open VS Code. Create a new folder and add a file named mcp.json. Paste the copied code into this file and save it. Once that's done, you'll notice the MCP server starts running and connects with MockFlow IdeaBoard. Now, let's add a prompt. For example, I have an e-commerce application. Suggest different monetization strategies that can be implemented without negatively impacting the user experience, and visualize the content as multi-boards in IdeaBoard. Execute the prompt, and in just a few seconds, the results will be generated directly inside the MockFlow desktop app. Switch back to MockFlow, and you'll see a new project created with multiple components based on your prompt. Everything is fully editable, easy to customize, and can be exported whenever needed. That's all it takes. Using VS Code with the MockFlow MCP server, you can quickly turn prompts into fully editable multi-board layouts and keep your workflow entirely in your coding environment.